Okay. Pericarditis. Pericarditis. What is the definition of pericarditis? Inflammation of the pericardium. Inflammation of the pericardium. The most common cause of pericarditis, most common cause of pericarditis is idiopathic, which means that we don't know what the cause is. We don't know what the cause is. Idiopathic. Idiopathic. No, it's not for today's exam. No, exam 5. Have any of you guys taken today's exam yet? Yes. Okay. So there's all right. So there's no point for me to do a review. Okay. I did not do a review with you guys for this exam, right? Yeah. Do you guys want to do an exam review for today, real quick? But if some of you guys took it, I guess it's no point. Okay. Hold on. Let me pull up the review. I'm gonna pull up the review. Okay. Let's do a review for today's exam. Okay. Okay. So what are the subunits of a lipopolysaccharide? The subunits of the lipopolysaccharide includes lipid A, core polysaccharide, and then the O polysaccharide. Okay. What does the term pathogenicity mean? Ability of a pathogen to cause damage to the host tissue. What is virulence? Okay, do you guys want to do a review for today's exam, or do you want me to start just talking about the last exam? Please unmute yourself, so I know what you guys want me to do here. Wasting time.
I prefer the
So
next
we
exam.
go over the next exam.
I would prefer the next exam because we don't have class next week.
Okay, that's what I was thinking too. All right, so let's start with that. Let's go. Let's keep going. Okay, so pericarditis. Pericarditis. Back to pericarditis. Okay, so the most common cause of pericarditis is idiopathic, which means we don't know what the cause is. The second most common cause of pericarditis is infections. Now, if you are asked on the exam what type of pathogen is the most common infectious cause of pericarditis, then it would be a virus, not a bacteria. Not a bacteria, it would be a virus. And then which virus is the most common cause of pericarditis? Then the answer would be Coxsackie B virus. Coxsackie B virus. Okay? That's the number one infectious. Number two, it's going to be bacterial. Which bacteria? Staphylococcus species, Streptococcus species, and Mycobacterium tuberculosis species. Okay, now signs and symptoms unique to pericarditis. They have pleuritic chest pain, pleuritic chest pain, pleuritic chest pain. Okay, pleuritic chest pain, and a pericardial friction rub. A pericardial friction rub is this. This is a sound that is heard with the stethoscope on auscultation, and the pericardial friction rub indicates that there is friction between the visceral and the parietal pericardial membranes. Any questions about pericarditis? Okay. The next one is myocarditis. This is the this is inflammation of the myocardium. Remember, myocardium is the layer of the heart that is involved in pumping. This is the myocardium, the muscle of the heart. Okay. Now, because the muscle of the heart is the layer of the heart that is involved in pumping, myocardium causes impaired cardiac output, and it also affects the cardiac conduction system as well. The most common cause of myocarditis, again, it is also viral. Most commonly, Coxsackie B virus and parvo B19 virus.